In this video, I'll be attending another open house. If you're new to my channel, my name is Victoria Munoz. I'm a Compass of Pasadena real estate agent, and I do buyer property tours for people looking to buy a home in LA County. And if you're a homeowner and you need to sell your home, you can always connect with me here. So today's featured property is located at 1320 Gates Place, So.Pas, 9-10-30. This home is listed and subject price to change at $949,000. It has only one bedroom, one bathroom with 728 square feet of living space, but the lot size is huge. It's over 11,000 square feet. So this home was built in 1947 and it's a bungalow style home, and it has a lot of modern comforts including central AC, the in-home laundry, and electric vehicle charging station, and more. So let's take a look at what's nearby in the city of South Pasadena. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. We'll see you at the next open house.